Are you new to Canvas, the online learning platform? Don't worry, we're here to help you get started with this comprehensive tutorial. Canvas is a fantastic tool that will make your learning experience more interactive and organized. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident using it. Step 1. Access your Canvas account. First, let's get you set up on Canvas. Your journey starts with a confirmation email from our admissions team, which will contain a link to access Canvas. Look for an email that resembles the image below. Click on the link in the email, and you'll be taken to Canvas. Your email address will serve as your login, and you get to create your own password. Please choose a secure and memorable password to keep your account safe. Step 2. Explore your Canvas dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Canvas dashboard. It's your hub for everything related to your courses. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Global Navigation menu. This menu contains essential tools, so let's start by exploring the Account menu. Create your profile, click on the Settings link under the Account menu. Here, you can upload a profile picture to help your classmates and instructors get to know you better. Set your notifications, click on the Notifications link. This is where you control how Canvas sends you notifications about course activities. You can choose what events to be notified about and how often you receive these notifications. For example, you might want immediate notifications for assignment due date changes to stay on top of your coursework. Manage contact preferences. If you'd like Canvas notifications to be sent to a different email address other than your college email, you can set it up under Settings within the Account menu. You can also customize notification preferences for each contact method you add. Back on your dashboard, you'll find several helpful features. Announcements. Here, you'll see any announcements made by the Toronto School of Management team. To-do list. On the right-hand side, your to-do list will automatically populate with upcoming tasks. Clicking on an item will take you directly to the relevant course material. Recent feedback. This section lets you quickly check if any of your assignments have been graded and returned to you. Course listings. Below the announcements, you'll find all your active courses listed. If a course hasn't started yet, don't worry, it will appear here once it's published. If you don't see a course you're registered for, you can find it under All Courses. Remember, your Canvas courses may take up to 24 hours to appear after registration, so be patient. Step 4. Course calendars. Click on the Calendar button in the left navigation bar. You'll discover that you have a color-coded calendar for each active course. Each course's assignments, discussions, and quizzes are automatically displayed on their due dates. You can even customize the calendar colors for easier differentiation. Step 5. Using Canvas Inbox. Canvas Inbox is your internal messaging system for communication within your courses, whether with instructors or classmates. While it's not a regular email, most instructors prefer all communication to be conducted through Canvas Inbox. You'll see a notification next to the inbox icon when you have new messages. If you need to contact your instructor, simply select the course and click on the address book icon to find them. You can write your message, attach files, and hit send just like in a regular email. Congratulations! You've now mastered the essentials of Canvas. We hope this detailed tutorial has made your experience smoother and more enjoyable. Canvas is designed to enhance your learning, and with this guide, you'll be well prepared to make the most of it. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our academics department. They're always available to help you succeed. Happy learning!